Hi everyone. Today in this video we are going to learn birds name, recognition of birds name and pronunciation of different birds with the help of pictures. So let us begin. Kingfisher, kingfisher. Eagle, eagle, eagle. Peacock, peacock, peacock. Sparrow, sparrow. Owl, owl. Duck, duck. Crow, crow. Parrot, parrot. Hen, hen. Cock, cock. Ostrich, ostrich. Bulbul, bulbul. Pigeon, pigeon. Quail, quail. I hope the video was helpful for you. If yes, then do like the video, share the video and subscribe our channel. Let's learn together. Stay home, stay safe, stay learning. Thank you.